she can do it. Look, Delir, no movement there.
Where's the chief?
Post it tomorrow.
Since entering representational politics, I've tried to ensure that my work speaks for me. I've approached each task diligently and honestly, and I've treated everybody with respect. I know a number of you are disappointed. I've disappointed my family, my constituency, my Prime Minister, and my country. And for that, I am sorry. I made a grave error of I was wrong, especially at a time when we are fighting to keep the COVID-19 pandemic under control. And as such, I met with the Prime Minister earlier and withdrew from the cabinet. I know I will have to work doubly as hard to regain your trust and your confidence, but I'm committed to do that and to serve the people of St. Elizabeth Southwestern. I am sorry, and I apologize unreservedly to my family, my Prime Minister, my colleagues, but more importantly, I apologize to the people of Jamaica.
Blessed morning to you, the viewers and subscribers. So there's a video making rounds on the internet which featured the former Minister of Agriculture, Mr. Floyd Green, along with Andrew Bromley participating in an act of toasting on No Movement Day in Jamaica. Now it's very alarming to see that government personnel could be participating in such an act when the country is under a 3-day lockdown based on the spike in COVID rate. And what is so shocking is to see that none of these individuals were actually wearing any mask per se. And it's very sad to see that these individuals call themselves government ministers and councillors, and they are the ones that implement these laws and regulation that citizens are to abide by when them themselves can't even cope with it. So he has actually resigned from his post along with the councillor as well, Mr. Andrew Bromley as well. But it's one of those situations that we looked on over and over again, and we realized that these people that are setting authority over us, most of the time they are the one breaking the laws so significantly than the citizens themselves. And we can't continue as a country like this when you look on the serious spate of the rise in the COVID-19 and how people are dying based on the fact that people are so irresponsible and they don't care about the life of others. No, it's one of those moments when we reflect on what is going on in our country and we look that this situation is spiraling out of control more and more each day based on the irresponsible behavior of many of these government ministers, and not only government ministers, because the citizens themselves as well. I'm not going to put the blame on an individual person at this point in time, but it just goes to show you it's a combined effort that is causing this thing to spiral out of control. But the minister gave an apology about the whole entire situation, and he has actually resigned from his post along with the other councillor as well. But you can just drop it in the comment section, let me know how you feel about this thing and what do you think should be done in order to curtail ministers and government officials participating in acts such as these, especially when the country is under a lockdown. Peace out and bless from Links WSM TV as always.